guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is all about trying this I am cold makeup. This is so pretty to look at. It's so tempting to do. It has all that glittery and nice effect to it. So I am just loving it right now, and being so cold over here, I just really want to try it. This is a very rosy makeup kind of a look. This is also very simple, elegant and very pretty makeup. You can also do it. But first, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon. Now I am ready. Are you ready? So let's get started. Now I'm going to apply my moisturizer. You can apply any moisturizer you like. I'm going to take this much of amount and apply generously on my face and gently too. So taking it all over, even on my neck. Now I'm done, but I forgot to pin my bangs, so I'm applying pin. Now I'm done with my bangs. Now I'm going to apply my primer. This is by Milani. This is a hydrating primer, so I've specially bought it for winters as my skin is really dry in winters. So apply it on your T-zone and take it further. Apply it all over on your face. Let your pores sink in with this primer. Now I'm going to apply my foundation. This is by Maybelline Fit Me. It's a pretty good foundation. Apply in dots. Take it all over on your face. Dot it over. Even under eyes. Don't forget your neck. It's really important. I'm taking my beauty blender and just dabbing all the product in. Dab your product. Do not rub. Don't press it too hard, just dab your product. And on your neck. So now I'm going to apply my blush. This is by Makeup Revolution. So I'm going to take a little amount, dab it over on the cheeks. I'm applying little bit extra just for that rosy blushy look. Applying some on my nose and on my lips. Little bit on my chin. Now I'm going to take my concealer. I'm going to apply in the inner corners of my eyes, little bit on the outer corners. And now I'm going to apply it on my nose, on my forehead, on my upper lips, and on my chin, near my nose and near my lips. So I have applied very less. I want a natural look. Now I'm going to apply my contouring by Krylon. So I'm applying little bit under my cheekbone, under my jawline, and on my forehead. and making a straight line on my nose. So I'm taking my brush by Pro Art. Now just blending it out. Blend it well. And even if you think that your product is looking too patchy or it has not blended well, then don't worry. There are other tips and tricks that you can follow and make it even. So now I'm doing my nose just little bit with my brush, and I'm done for my nose. Now my forehead, just blending it out upwards. I'm evening it out with my beauty blender. Now it's time for blending the concealer. So I'm blending the concealer by my beauty blender. Just tap, tap, tap. A little is enough. Just little dabbing I'm doing, nothing much. On the corners of my nose, my lips, my cupid's bow, my cheeks, and my chin. I'm taking the same beauty blender and I'm dabbing on my blush. I'm just loving this natural color of blush. Just dab the product in. Don't worry if your blush is too much. Blushes are the ones which oxidizes first, so it will tend to decrease in color. I've applied a little bit on my nose, so I've blended that and I'm done with my blush. So one more tip. So the tip I was talking about, take your setting powder and apply it all over on your face. So if there is any patchy makeup or product is not blended out well, then this setting powder can really help. Now I'm taking my eyeshadow palette, applying pink color on my eyelids. I'm applying it all over my eyelid. Now I'm taking this beige color, very light beige color. It's a matte in color. So I am applying it on the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm taking this little bright pink color and applying it in the middle of my eyes. Nothing much. So now I'm applying same pink color under my eyelids also. Now I'm taking my highlighter palette. This is by Nykaa, and I've taken this highlighter color and applied in the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm blending it out with my finger. So blend it upwards and downwards. Now I'm taking this another palette and applying this shimmery color which I was talking about. Applying in the middle of my eyes and in the middle of my lower eyelid as well, to give that wintry vibe. Now I've taken my kajal. This is by Lakme Iconic. So I'm applying it as a eyeliner. and keeping it very natural. So I'm applying it very thin. Don't overboard with the eyeliner because this is a natural makeup look, and it's too blushy because in winter we tend to blush more because of cold. Our cheeks and nose turn red. That's why this makeup is inspired with that look. So technically it's no makeup look in winters. So just follow your line. And now I'm going to apply on my eyebrows. I'm taking this pencil by Benefit, making the line. Just color it out. Don't worry to blend it. We'll do that. Take any pencil you like. It's not necessary you have to take this pencil only. But this is a nice one. Now taking a spoolie which is already provided in this pencil, you can take another spoolie and just brush it out. This even outs the product and manages your hair too. So now I'm taking this Nika palette again and taking this highlighter, and with a fan brush I'm going to apply it on the cheeks, on the upper part of my cheeks. On my nose, especially on my tip and the middle part, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin. That's it. Now I am going to line my lips. So taking this pencil, this is by Miss Claire, just follow the line of your lips and fill in. Now I'm taking my liquid lipstick by Maybelline and applying all over my lips. I am done, guys. How did you find this look? I hope you like this look. This is very natural and very pinky, rosy kind of a makeup. I have not applied too much of product on my eyes or on my cheek. This makeup has glittery eyes, rosy cheeks, and pinky lips. Just imagine the look. I am cold makeup look is so much fun to create. Do try it. Do like, share and comment down below. Let me know how did you like the look, and do subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon. Till then, love you guys. Bye.